हेलो एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आज हम लैब्स को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अ टूर ऑफ गूगल हैंड 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 ऑन लैब्स। सो मैं आपको पिछली वीडियो में एक चीज़ बताना भूल गया था कि अगर हमें गुडीज चाहिए तो हमें सब्सक्राइब यहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिख रहा है नीचे। हियर वी गो डाउन देयर एंड आफ्टर दैट you will see subscribe to Skill Boost Arcade, and if you want to eligible to receive swag, and if when complete a milestone Skill Arcade campaign, it's important that you subscribe the campaign right now with the same email। जिस email से आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन करा है उसी email से आपको सब्सक्राइब भी करना है। तो सब्सक्राइब नाउ पे क्लिक करने के बाद कुछ ऐसा एक गूगल फॉर्म ओपन हो जाएगा। आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है यस यस, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू सबमिट इट। Okay, and here you have submitted it, so it became make you eligible for the goodies and swags from receive, so that you can receive it from Google. So now we will start lab. So we will here go on start labs. After that we will open in incognito window, and here we will split the windows. Okay, so you guys can see everything. After that this, and after that you need to cover the control window, and we have to do it next. Click on I understand button. After clicking on terms, click on agree and continue option. After that, click on this IAM. It will take some time to get loaded, so don't worry about it. Here you need to copy the code from this. Just wait. Here you need to copy the code. Here you can read these things. Okay. After that, go down. You need to copy this. Okay, and paste it in the principal section. Here click on the grant access button, and here paste this code and select the role as viewer. Save it. After that, here go in dialog below. Dialog flow API. Click on enable button, and now click on check my progress option. here you can see my score is 50, and now you can check here also. Here also 50. I have completed this lab, and now you can end this lab. Thank you very much, guys.